What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to your channel, family. Today we had a huge day. We had FOMC, a ton of economic events, as well as big tech earnings. So today I'm going to be talking about stocks I'm watching. If you guys like these videos, please make sure to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. Also turn on my post notifications so you're notified every time I post. Family, let me know how it's going over at the 1 to 100K challenge. Have you guys made any trades today? What did you trade today? Let me know down below in the comments. I'm gonna get 2-day trades in 2 days, so that's gonna be very exciting. But like I said, guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you stocks I'm looking at, as well as another penny stock that I'm keeping my eye on. So before we go ahead and start this video, hit that like button. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, guys, taking a kickoff, we're looking at ticker symbol SPY. The S&P 500 ETF is up almost 0.5% overnight. Guys, take a look at this. Okay, the SPY dipped down to 600 and rocketed back up. We had FOMC today, as well as other big tech earnings. So today was very sideways and flat. So you can see all throughout the markets, a lot of stocks did dip down due to this economic event, right? You could see there's constant sell-offs and just constant sideways movement throughout the market. So if you guys need to be patient, okay, patience is gonna pay off in this market. It's better to get into an A+ setup rather than a C setup. And then if you are in too many stocks and are risking too much, you only want to make sure you're taking quality trades in this market, especially with all the volatility that has been set in place, set in stone. So guys, my range for SPY meets around this bottom around 600 and 604. So these levels are in huge watch for tomorrow. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AAPL. This one has been rather strong than other stocks. You could see that Apple has fallen all the way down to 234, but made a nice recovery up today. And guys, take a look at this. Okay, this one is back to 240 where it previous dropped. Apple's a very strong stock that I like. We got earnings tomorrow, so we're gonna see how that one goes. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol NVDA. This one has been all over the place, but guys, take a look. Okay, and the video was once at 130, and then at pre-market it dropped all the way down to 124. So what am I looking at in terms of NVIDIA? Well, if you take a look at the week chart, okay, if you take a look at the week chart, you could see that there has been a bottom, okay, at 118 / the 116 area. So if NVIDIA goes down to the 116 and 118 area, I'm going to be looking into nibbling up some shares, okay, and maybe some call options. This has been a pretty interesting zone to me, and as well as a ton of volatility has been on NVIDIA. So this is what I'm liking, guys. Today, like I said, a lot of stocks went on discounts. Let me know if you guys picked up any stocks that went on discount today, because I know that there's been a ton of them all throughout in the market. Okay, take a look at this once again, guys. I'm going to be looking at the NVIDIA 120 calls if this one dips below 116 and remains above it. Okay, if it goes below 116 and breaks it, right, if it goes to 115, for example, okay, we're going to be looking on the flip side for NVIDIA. I like how this stock has been performing the past few days, because this is giving us more data points to play with. Okay, now we know about that 116 resistance, and we know how this 127 level is going to be a current top. So for NVIDIA, I'm looking to be bullish if we can break 127 intraday, but as well as I'm gonna be looking at the key level for 116 to 118 to buy dips on. If we break below that level, then we can see some bearish sides for NVIDIA. Next up, we got ticker symbol SOFI. SoFi Technologies is hanging around that 1610 mark, but if it goes down to $15, I'm gonna be looking into buying the dip on SoFi. They recently had a great quarter for earnings, but they've always dropped after earnings, so this is a common pattern. So once again, I've been looking at the chart right here, guys. Take a look at this. Once you identify common patterns in the chart, this is where the money's made. Okay, guys, the money is always made in these charts. Take a look at this. Okay, on January 27th, SoFi dipped down to 1544 and rebounded to that $16 level. So looking for the same thing once again. Take a look right here. Similarly, January 28th, SoFi Technologies hit 1558 on the charts, rebounded back to $16. So I'm looking for that same move once again, right? Buying the dip. I'm going to be looking at buying the dip if SoFi goes ahead, touches $15 once again. This is 1580, but but I'm looking for those low $15 ads. Okay, this is going to be very important for SoFi. Let's get into the next stock, guys. QQQ. Guys, you could see the tech index has been all over the place, rising about almost 0.5% pre-market, going down just like SPY. Okay, going down to 518 and then rocketing back up to 524. This is what I like to see though. Okay, I like to see the volatility. They give us a ton of discounts today that we were able to load up on. Next stock, guys, we got ticker symbol TSLA. This stock has been very bullish as of recently. Okay, take a look at this, guys. It went back down to 386. Okay, I love the 380s, and then after hours it dipped all the way to 376. Okay, 376, and then shot back up because of Tesla's earnings. Okay, the guidance on the earnings was so good to the point where Tesla's up 4.57% overnight. So Tesla has been a top watch on my radar. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMZN. Okay, AMZN was strong pre-market and then dipped back down. Okay, take a look at this, all the way to 236.50. So we have a bit of a reset day. So if we go ahead and break this resistance of 236, once again, I'm going to be looking for a move to the 240s. But if we dip back down to, let's say, take a look at this, 233, okay, I'm going to be watching for the break to the downside of 230, because remember, we're going to be making money both ways here. So I'm going to be marking my resistances as well as my supports to make sure I have some levels I can trade off of. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol MSFT. This one was a major market move in the overnight session, guys. Microsoft had earnings today, sitting at 443 intraday, and then after the close, okay, after they had their earnings call, they went down all the way to 416. So giving back all the gains from the past week. But if you take a look at the charts, okay, this is due to earnings, but you could see that there was a dip on 415. So I'm going to be looking for this to be bought up. If not, we can be going back down to 412. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol AMD. AMD has had smart money all over it before the close yesterday. I pointed out in my last video, okay, AMD sitting up 2.84% today. So if this one breaks 119 tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for a reclaim of the 120 levels. But if this ends up breaking below 115, we're going to see this thing go back down to 114. Okay, you could see that 113 has been a common spot for AMD. Okay, we got a double bottom right here at 113. So if it goes to 113 once again, I'm going to be looking to buy the dip into AMD. But guys, this has been a fire sale as of recently. So I've been loving AMD. Next up, guys, taking a look at ticker symbol GOOGL, guys. Alphabet class A. You guys know Google stock. This one's up 0.16% in the past week. Today, it ran down all the way to 194. It couldn't break that 193 level. So really good price action for Google, making its way back up to 200. So that's like what I see. They got earnings in a week. So I'm going to be on the lookout for Google. If this one goes back down to 192, 193 area, I'm going to be looking to buy the dip once again. Okay, we might have a bit of more dips before the earnings come in, but I'm going to be looking to play the earnings run up on Google. So this is a stock on my watch list. If that does break 200, we need to break this 200 level. You could see the triple top right here in order to break higher to 202. So Google, big watch for tomorrow. If it goes below 195, I'm leaning bearish towards this. But if this breaks 199, okay, it needs to hit 200 and break over 200 to keep on rallying. Next up, guys, we got ticker symbol RIME. This is Algorithm Holdings. This one sits at 0.0265. This one is down almost 16% today. It is up 1.92% after hours, guys. Take a look at this, okay? Straight barcoding action right here. Nothing to really much look at, but there was a huge dip. So this one looks like it's about to go to 1 cent, but I want to see what the price action sits for RIME, because you could see that on the 1 week chart, this one is down 20% in a week. Okay, this one's made its way all the way to 21 cents to 2 cents. So I'm gonna see what happens, right? It could either go to 1 cent or rebound back to 3 cents. So very curious to see what happens on RIME. You could see that there's been 138 million volume despite its fact being down 16%. So RIME's gonna be a very interesting watch for me coming into tomorrow. Last up, we got ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir Technologies is just hovering over that $80 mark. I need you guys to mark this down, okay? Mark this one down on your charts. $78 is going to be the support for Palantir Technologies. And right here, we're at the middle of a breakout, okay? A potential breakout for Palantir Technologies. If you look at the weekly chart, you could see that Palantir Technologies has hit a high of $82. So if we break $81 tomorrow, we could potentially test that $82 level. But if we break this $79 level, we can probably shoot back down to $75, okay? This one's a big watch for tomorrow as well. They also do have earnings coming in 3 days. So we might see a dip before earnings, before the earnings run up. So this one is another one that's on my watch list. But once again, guys, there's been a ton of fire sales sales in the stock market. So let me know if you guys picked up any stocks, okay? Let me know, leave a comment down below if you picked up any stocks on this fire. So I added the dip heavily in today's market session. This has been an amazing day once again to add in on the dips. I need you guys also to be taking profits, okay? Don't overstay your welcome. Do not get greedy in this market because they could drop news any single time, like that DeepSeek news. You see that, guys? Once that DeepSeek news dropped, okay, it took a full week, but that led Nvidia to go down to 116. But once again, 116 is going to be a key level that I'm watching for Nvidia. And once again, I want to see if ticker symbol RIME hits that 3 cent mark tomorrow. If it does, I'm going to be looking for a breakout on it. But if it can't hold this 260 mark, then it might just fall to 1 cent a share. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, please make sure to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. We got a big day coming tomorrow. We got Thursday, we got Friday. So we got a ton of days to make this money, guys, before the end of the week. We also have Apple earnings, so I need you guys to be careful of that. If you guys like this video, please make sure to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button. Remember, most people see that result, very few consider journey. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. We do videos just like this every day, so if you want to watch another one, click right here. I need you guys to be on your A game tomorrow, so please make sure to watch out. I believe in each and every one of you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.